everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare a super quick paneer recipe. I am mainly using chana dal, paneer, cheese and cream for this. So let's begin with the video. Here I have about a cup of soaked chana dal. I soaked this dal for about 4 to 5 hours. We'll rinse it with clean water and allow the excess water to drain out. And now they are ready to be cooked. I will transfer the dal in a cooker, adding pink Himalayan salt as per taste, turmeric and water. We'll cover and allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 whistles in medium flame. Here our dal is ready. We'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. Our dal has cooled down and it is perfectly cooked. We'll keep this aside. Here I am heating up a frying pan and adding mustard oil. Once the oil is heated up, we'll add about a spoon of garlic paste. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes and then adding onion paste. And lastly, I am adding tomato paste. Allow everything to cook. Here I am adding about a spoon of homemade sabzi masala. Once the masalas are cooked, I will add the dal in this. Cook everything for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, adding the paneer pieces. I am not frying the paneer pieces separately, but if you prefer, you can do that as well. Once the dal and masalas are nicely mixed, we'll add water as needed. In fact, I will be using the same water which I used to boil the chana. I am adding some fresh coriander, about 3 spoons of fresh cream and few slices of cheese. We'll give everything a good mix and switch off the flame. And our super quick paneer recipe is all ready to be served. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.